Ladies and gentlemen, I am here with my friend, Mr. Bruce Deal.
Tight, I'm in. That wasn't normal for it.
It's a 2022 F-250 Ultimate.
The I Miss Leg Day truck.
I'm blown away.
Oh, yeah, right.
Time is running out.
We got a new build coming into the shop, and we needed to find some inspiration. So we looked towards a vehicle that is indestructible, that'll cast fear into the eye of the enemy, that could go anywhere, do anything. None other than the BLACKHAWK, right here, in the flesh. This next build, we're gonna build to match the BLACKHAWK, to cast fear in the eye of the enemy. It's gonna be the most awesome truck ever! You know what's cool? You, my friend, could win it. Stay tuned, you'll find out how. But for now, let's get rolling.
All right, it is Monday morning, bright and early. Time to start the week off right. The way we're gonna do that is we're gonna start on this most build. When I think about like the design of this truck, I think of like your wife and kids are driving this truck. And somebody's like, hey, you know what? I wanna try to steal those kids or the lady or whatever it may be. I'm gonna break the glass. Nope, not today. That's why we're going to ARMIITEK. We're gonna get this truck dialed in because, like I said, the whole purpose behind it is we want to make it to where whoever drives this truck can feel safe knowing that somebody can't run up, bust the glass, steal your wife and kids. So let's roll.
All right, we are headed down to ARMIITEK to see this ballistic film they put on the inside of vehicles. I'm thinking about applying it to the Vanduro. Now, they're actually gonna let us smash windows down there. I'm pretty excited about this. It's not your typical Monday, so let's go.
You don't even know what it is.
Tight, I'm in.
Here we are.
Cole's, he's in charge of whole YouTube videos on the van and the one who set up the whole build with this company. So we're excited to see what you guys have here.
Yeah,
It'll be cool. Yeah. I can't help but notice there's license plates and this is a nice car. Is this somebody's car? We're testing this
This is actually my wife's car.
Oh, Jesus.
She's out of the country right now, so
So hold on. Are we practicing on this car?
yes, this is the one we're gonna do. That we believe in the product, and
Jeez.
So borrow your car today. Swap
like I
cars.
said, she's out of the country. I'm heading there Monday, so what do you guys want to do? Like, you just want to?
Well, I felt like breaking some stuff, but now I feel really bad
don't
breaking
feel
some
bad.
stuff.
Well, if Haynes is throwing something, the chances of hitting
Hey, come on. To definitely hit it,
Listen,
you know?
Yeah, we can break this one if you want. So this is the actual film that we're putting on it. It's a 16 mil with a special adhesive due to temperature differences in different areas, so it would adhere and keep the glass intact.
So why do you do it on the inside, not outside?
Mostly so when someone does try to break in, if that happens, it doesn't just go and hit the people inside the glass. It just holds it all from going
That makes
inside the
sense.
vehicle. You
I'm
just
so paranoid right now.
yeah, just go after it, hit it, and then we'll see what goes down, and then we'll get some spark plug shards. You can do both of them.
Start with this little guy.
What's that?
Series 4 deatomizer.
That's what I'm talking about.
Noisy cricket.
Maybe start with one of these two.
He doesn't trust you.
I don't trust myself.
Well, you can do it. He's getting your rock too.
Ben, you're part of this too, Cole.
All right. Well, I have the fistful of porcelain right now.
Oh yeah.
Everyone pick their weapon. You get the.
Hold on, I don't trust myself with the bat. You take the bat.
No, give me that. You have the little one.
Okay.
This one, I know I can hit.
Just don't let anything bounce back and hit you.
Try the rocks first.
Yeah, let's wait for
the rock.
It's a equipment thing. You got a rock there?
You got a rock.
I'm not gonna throw it at. I don't trust myself. Because I guarantee the side of this door.
Just throw it. You'll be fine.
I'm gonna miss. If I throw it at, I'm gonna
Just
miss.
throw it at it.
Zero faith in that. Total faith in that. Zero faith in that.
Can I hit the bat? Can I hit it with normal like force?
Not the back.
Not the back, but the front one. I
Yeah,
can
hit it with normal force. Hey, not the pillars either, okay? The glass.
Relax.
That wasn't normal force. Oh. Too strong. But look at it. It's not even.
That's still solid.
Yeah, by that time,
The cops have come.
your wife and kid have gone down the road.
That's crazy.
It's still glass. You can still cut yourself.
Well, yeah, but I'm just saying, like, the fact that it's not through it, Oh, yeah, right. And then just the film will stay? Yeah. Oh, challenge accepted.
We don't need to break your back window.
He said he already ordered some. You know, man.
But I didn't get a shot at anything.
When you turn it around, you can do the shards on the other side.
Yeah.
You do that?
So have you guys ever broken glass with porcelain? Technically, it needs to be spark plug porcelain for it to break anything.
High
So
temperature treated.
it's supposed to crack the glass and not break it, obviously. If you threw it at a normal piece of glass,
I want to test this more before you throw that at it and crack
You
it.
ruined it.
Well,
And
I ruined it.
I didn't.
I hit
Easy,
it.
Cole. Easy, Cole.
I'm gonna do it right now, so you guys can.
Put your glasses on.
Here, I got a fistful of porcelain here.
Really wants to ruin it. That's crazy. Oh, easy with the car,
I
man.
did your car. My bad.
Oh, it's because tinted. It has a little bit on there.
Dude. Easy with the fingies.
That's crazy.
Dude, that was just light toss of porcelain.
And you're weak.
Totally. You saw what I did with the hammer. All right, Van.
Oh, really?
We'll let Van do the honors this time. Throw that against the
All of it?
front window.
Front.
Front window, all of it.
That's it. I thought it felt like I threw it.
Sorry about the paint job.
First throw of the season.
Whoa!
Got it.
Oh,
Sorry about the back window.
so yeah, you got your hoodlums running around with porcelain, easy break, not so easy break.
That's crazy.
Oh, there's nothing.
Nothing?
I'm like worried about the glass. Yeah, there's
Dude,
nothing.
that made me sick. I thought you were gonna just cut your hand up.
Well, I thought so too until I... Sick, dude.
Dude,
What that tongue do?
I mean, by the time somebody starts beating on that, though, to try to like make a hole to get in,
Yeah, you're in gear and out of it.
yeah, you're gone. Yeah. Here she is. We drove a separate vehicle here so we can leave this with you. So yeah, just the two sides. And you say it takes roughly 24 hours?
Yeah, that's time to we pull the glass out, treat it, and then
Cure it.
install it.
Just make sure you cure before we install it back.
You have to like heat the whole thing up or what? Take the glass out, put it in an oven, bake it in there or what? How does
Something
it
like
work?
that. We'll,
I put-
Oh.
recipe.
Oh.
We put the
okay.
installer in the oven.
You put the whole guy in there. The whole guy in there. And he's just rubbing it till it's warm. Okay. Well, she's all yours, gentlemen.
The next day.
whoa, man.
Am I in? Please wreck it. Please wreck it.
Not in
Too
yet.
close?
I think leave it
Too
there.
far?
I'm gonna have Doug finish this for you.
She's home, baby. Truck's back. Looking at it, you can't even tell.
Tell what?
Throw the
It's
can
not
at
done?
it. Throw the can at it.
Yeah.
Oh, I gotta finish this thing.
Remember we broke it?
Stop.
Throw it.
Didn't break. Now that the truck is back in the shop, we are going to install the Fab 4 fender kit. So what this does, we've talked about it in the past, we did it on the Ultimate farm truck. The claim is 40s no lift. We're still gonna run a lift on this truck. We wanna be mean looking, tough looking. We wanna go as big a tire as possible. So that's gonna start. That's what Doug's gonna be working on. I'm gonna go dial in what wheels are coming because we have two companies online right now to send us something. I just gotta figure out what's best. We got Fusion bumpers. We're gonna run KC lights inside the bumpers. We also have the 6-inch BDS lift. Unknown on wheels and tires. You're just gonna have to wait and see because more to come. So play some of that sweet B-roll.
BDS just came in with the lift and right in time because we need this done so we can get it to wrap. But the lift is sitting over here. Let me show you. So we have our BDS 4-link suspension here. This is a 6-inch lift. We're gonna put 40s on this thing. By the time we're done, this thing's gonna be nearly probably 10 plus inches in the air. It's gonna be big. It might be one of the biggest Fords we've ever built. It's not the biggest truck we've ever built, but it might be the biggest Ford.
You won't even be able to recognize it unless you're very good at recognizing black trucks that we build.
Thank you. We usually do the wrap first on all of our builds, but this one we're doing the Uno reverse card because the wrap company couldn't get us in until next week. We're gonna build the whole truck and then we're gonna send it to wrap. So you'll see the whole truck come together, regular stock black, but then we're gonna put the satin black wrap on it and make this thing look real nice.
Doing all right? Why is this jacked up so high? Did you see the little guy under there?
I didn't. I do now.
Yeah, we just decided everyone bring their kid to work day.
Yeah, man.
I love seeing this truck on the freeway.
Right.
The I Miss Leg Day truck.
Right.
So, you know, here it is. This is how much lift this thing has. We've lowered the, you know, the lift down, so it's going to give you an idea of how much lift the actual lift added before we put tires on it. So, take a look.
All right.
But you see that truck going down the freeway every once in a while.
Working on getting this bumper tightened up, getting all these bolts lined up. Then I gotta adjust and make sure that we're following the body lines before I tighten it all the way, but they make them things fun to get to, I tell you. These bolts are, you can't get your hand in there, you can't get a wrench in there, you have to just kind of use your feelers and get it up in there.
You just hope that you're putting it in the right place.
Yeah, yeah.
Nice.
The boys have been putting in countless hours and absolutely crushing it on the Most truck. As you can see, it is the most awesome truck you've ever seen, right? It turned out great, and we are about to introduce it to the president of Most right now, Bruce, who just pulled up outside, and I want you to meet him too. Let's go.
How's it going?
What's up?
You must be Bruce.
I am Bruce. How you doing, dude? Good to see you, man.
Nice to meet
like
you,
that
man.
shirt?
I like your shirt. It turned out
good.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Bruce, the president of Most. Bruce hasn't even seen the truck yet. You've been seeing us build it, but now it's time to show Bruce and showcase everything that we've done, and I don't think you should wait any longer. What do you
I'm
think?
ready, man.
Let's
Can't
go
wait.
see it.
You ready?
Wow.
Go take a look.
Look at that.
Isn't that the most awesome truck?
That is the most awesome truck I may have ever seen.
Not bad, right?
Oh my. I'm blown away. I've seen your other work and I think you've outdone yourself.
You think so?
I think this is remarkable. You know, we want Most to have a huge impact. Huge impact.
Yeah.
Something like this is huge. I mean, this
is.
tells a huge story. I mean, just driving down the road, whoever's driving this thing at some point in the future, this is drawing people's attention.
That was the idea.
I mean, what's going to do it better than this right here? It's got the most logo going on.
Like you said, we wanted something that would draw attention. You needed it big, you needed it bad, and you needed it to look almost tactical, like it's going to go in on one of these missions. So what we did is we took a 2022 F250, gave it a 6-inch BDS lift, and then you've got your fuel wheels and your needle trail grappler tires. In order to make it not rub, we put in these Fab 4 fenders. We had to match it with the Fusion bumpers.
Right, right.
They are the baddest bumper in the market. And if you're rolling in on a tactical mission, you're probably blacked out rolling in. As soon as you hit where you're going, you gotta light up at night, right?
Gotta light it up.
KC lights. We got it completely wrapped, and what we've got inside are two things. These right here, on the inside, they've got ARMIITEK ballistic film that layers the inside so you can't smash through and grab it.
Excellent.
In fact, you could probably hit that with a bat, you could throw a rock at it, and it's not gonna shatter. You've got these headrests, they're actually gun safes.
That is awesome.
So when you're rolling, you're gonna need some ammo, right?
Absolutely.
And then you've got a lot of custom work. The Sparks Motors team put a lot of blood, sweat, and tears into this to make it the most awesome truck that we've got.
It's an amazing truck. I mean, you guys are an amazing company. Thanks to all of the team that had any part of this, all your partners, your staff. Yeah, I'm blown away by the truck. More importantly than that, I'm blown away by your heart of this company that you'd come alongside. You know, the trafficking thing's a tough space. Not everybody wants to get in that. It's messy. And so the fact that you guys are willing to do that, and man, this incredible piece of equipment right here is going to help us tell the story in ways we could never tell it without this. It's just amazing. So, man, I'm so honored. Thank you.
We're honored.
This is unbelievable.
We're honored to be a part of it. I think, like you said, it's something people need to be more aware of and not be afraid to get in and help stop, because with everybody's efforts, you can stop it.
That's right.
But if people are afraid to get in and get involved, it's always going to be a problem.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am here with my friend, Mr. Bruce Deal from MOST organization. Now, if you're curious what MOST is, it stands for Men Opposing Sex Trafficking.
That's absolutely right.
Pretty simple, pretty self-explanatory. You guys protect kids.
Yeah, we protect kids and women and men.
Yeah.
Trafficking's a big deal in our country right now and all over the world. Fastest growing criminal enterprise in the world. 99% of those buying sex are men. 95% of those trafficking women and children are men. So we're asking men to rise up and go to war against that.
And in order to do that, you have decided to do something that's going to cause quite a stir, which is giving away this beautiful truck behind us, right?
Yeah.
It's a 2022 F250 Ultimate, and MOST came to us and said, hey, we want a way to get the word out, to be able to protect more people from this terrible crime, and so that's exactly what we did. We built the truck, you guys provided the platform, and now any money that comes in is going to go straight to supporting your program, correct?
100% going to awareness, education, prevention, rescue, and recovery for those who have been trafficked. And we follow you guys' channel a lot, love what you do, the work you do with the trucks. Thought this would be a great way to get people energized, not only about fighting the cause, but have an opportunity to win the truck.
So you're creating kind of a great experience all around. Not only are you protecting the people that need saving, but you're also creating an experience where viewers, like everybody, can have a chance to win an amazing truck. So the way that you can get entered to win this truck is you can buy a bundle, like some merch, or you can just donate. And every donation comes with 5 times the entry. So that means $1 is 5 entries, right? $5, 25 entries. It's a no-brainer, guys. And like I said, all of the money is going to support a phenomenal organization that's out there doing really strong work. So all that's left for you to do, click the link, get entered now.
Going nowhere, we'll be standing right here until the end of time.